Have you ever made a dua that you are not ready to give up on no matter what people around you say? Are you also in a position in your life right now where you see that people around you are telling you continuously that no, it's not gonna happen? Stop wasting your time. It's not gonna happen. Everywhere you see is a no. But yet you know in your heart that Allah Ta'ala is going to make it happen. You know the promise, you know the signs He has given you, you know the things that you have prayed for, you know with your core of your existence it's going to happen. Yet everyone around you keeps saying it's not going to happen, and still your heart is not ready to give up on it yet. If yes, then listen to this. There's this very powerful dua that I have been reciting for years, and I think it's so beautiful that I wanted to share it with you guys. Allahumma la mania lima ataita wala mutia lima manata wala yanfa'u dal jaddi minkal jaddu. This dua beautifully translates into that if there is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written in your destiny, if all the people in this world come together and try to take it away from you, they cannot. And if there is something that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not written for you, and if all the people in this world try to give it to you, they will not be able to give it to you. It simply states that people have no power. Never ever ever let anybody tell you what you should do and what you should pray for and what you should not pray for. Never ever ever think that anybody in this world has the power to take what is yours. Nobody has. And nobody in this world has the power to give you what you want except for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. People are powerless. If you have your connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will not listen to any of those people. You will not be like, oh, this person did this to me, this person did that to me, that is why I'm not getting this person took it away from me. Nobody can take things away from you that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written for you, and nobody can give you things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to give to you. Literally, this is so beautiful that people are powerless. They have no power of their own when it comes to giving you things, when it comes to your destiny. Nobody can take things away from you, and nobody can give things to you except for the Almighty.